Christine here again. Now, I recently took a workshop with Diane Reevely and Dina Wakley, and it was fabulous. I had a lot of fun and I learned a lot, but I don't want to necessarily share what I learned because they have their classes, so you can always take their classes. But one thing Dina talked about in the class was colors and use of colors, which is a general thing we all know. And I realized when I play, I always tend to go to the same colors and I don't think about color wheels and what goes together. So I thought it would be fun. I have the new Dina Wakley small white journal. I thought it would be fun to have a play in here and use just colors from some of Dina's line. Now if you go to the Ranger website, and I'll put a link below, this is a free PDF printout that she has on how to use all of her colors. So this is the color wheel of all the colors in her product lines. And then she talks about, you know, analogous colors, colors with their complements, complementary colors, near complementary, and triadic. And with the triadic ones, if I'm saying it right, there are 3 colors equally spaced from each other on the wheel. Triadic color schemes often contrast, but not as much as complementary schemes do. So what I also did was I went on the Ranger website and they have these free printables that you can get, sorry for the glare, and I went and marked all the colors I have of her products so far. And I only have enough, I think, to do 2 of her schemes, but anyway, so what I did was I made this chart, which is another free printable I'll put below. And I want to have a play with using just some colors she recommends. So I picked out 3 triadic colors, her eggplant, peacock, and cheddar, because I had all 3 of these. Plus I grabbed my scribble stick versions. And then also I wanted a neutral, so I grabbed her new mineral, and I grabbed the elephants, just to throw in a neutral gray. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab some of her collage papers, the paint, use my gel plate, and just have some fun. I'm going to just do a fast forward on this one. So again, I am using these 3 colors here, and we will see where this goes and how it turns out. Alright guys, how was that? I hope I didn't speed through it too fast. I think for my first time really kind of trying to play with all these mediums and sticking to only 3 colors, I really enjoyed it. My hope with this journal, as you see me work through it, is I want to practice my compositions, making things work, playing with colors. So I'm going to try to start posting from this journal once a month so you see my mini Dina journal. And if you like this video guys, remember to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. You'll stay up to date on all my latest releases. And just a final tip for you, if you're using the collage papers and you're not using the Dina Wakley gel medium and you're having trouble making them transparent, I have found that her gel medium works best with her products, with her collage papers, and you gotta make sure you get it really wet with collage behind it, then put your piece down, then really smooth it out, and you'll get almost perfect transparency. So that's my last tip for the day, guys. Thanks for joining me. See you soon.